The Lumin Collection is finally here. Oil cleansing, cupping, and jade stone massage work together to clarify and detoxify blemish-prone skin. If you're wearing makeup, first remove by using some Lumin 3-in-1 oil on cotton rounds to remove any makeup from your skin. Next, apply a generous amount of the Lumin 3-in-1 oil for your cleansing and cupping. The Lumin oil is a saturated blend of seabuckthorn, passion fruit, and lavender, and gently clarifies pores, balances, and soothes the skin. For cupping, use gentle suction always. The Chinese medicine modality of cupping helps to stimulate, clear, and detoxify the skin as well as the layers underneath. Cupping breaks up stagnation and congestion in the tissues while stimulating qi and blood flow. It also stimulates the lymphatic system to clear waste from the tissues. When you're finished cupping and deep cleansing the skin, use the exceptionally soft Lumin Cloud Cloth made of organic cotton and bamboo to gently remove oil and impurities from the skin. After thorough removal, reapply a small amount of the Lumin oil as your finishing oil this time, and use the white jade mushroom to massage and infuse it into the skin. White jade has a cooling nature which dissipates and relieves the internal heat. This feels so soothing, and this rocking gliding motion is very stimulating for the lymphatic system as well. It just feels so good. The pointed tip is great for releasing jaw tension and also for pressure point stimulation. The jade mushroom can be used every day, as can the cleanser. For cupping, keep it to 1 to 3 times per week.